Falling behind on rent can create major stress. If you're overwhelmed by rent arrears, eviction could be imminent. But there's a way to find relief: filing for bankruptcy. In Canada, rent arrears are considered unsecured debts. You can clear these debts by filing for bankruptcy. However, this only applies to rent arrears up to the filing date. Your landlord cannot evict you without following legal procedures. They need to issue a notice of eviction, stating valid reasons like unpaid rent. For unpaid rent, the notice period is typically 14 days. Should your landlord seek an eviction order, they must apply to the Landlord and Tenant Board. At the hearing, the situation is reviewed. Here, you could be required to pay your arrears or vacate by a designated date. If eviction is pursued and you don't pay your arrears or move, a sheriff may issue a notice of eviction. Yet, filing for bankruptcy can provide relief by invoking a stay of proceedings, stopping eviction. When you file for bankruptcy, it helps discharge your unsecured debts, including rent arrears up to the filing date. This stops your landlord from evicting you for these unpaid debts. To file for bankruptcy, you need a licensed insolvency trustee. They are the only authorized individuals to handle bankruptcy matters. Once you file, an eviction order cannot be enforced. If you're concerned about staying in your rented property post-bankruptcy, it's your choice. You'll need to pay rent moving forward. If you still don't pay rent, the eviction process may restart. However, bankruptcy may not help if your landlord plans renovations or intends to occupy the property. In scenarios where rent arrears are the issue, bankruptcy could be your lifeline. Seek a trustee to guide you through the bankruptcy process. They can also facilitate conversations with your landlord about rent arrears. Remember, addressing rent arrears proactively can lead to a better financial future. Don't hesitate to explore your options today.